Welcome to BLUETTI Support. Today, we'll walk you through the most common questions about the Charger 2.
What's new compared to Charger 1?
PV input support, expansion battery support, reverse charging feature, available when a BLUETTI portable power station or expansion battery is connected.
What does each port do?
ALT, car starter battery input and reverse charging output. CHG, charging for portable power stations. PV, solar input. BAT, connects to a BLUETTI expansion battery or portable power station as an extra power source, bidirectional.
Do I need to replace the cables for the upgrade?
No, Charger 2 supports a seamless upgrade. Simply remove Charger 1 and install Charger 2 using the same cables.
Can I use third-party portable power stations with the CHG port?
Yes, Charger 2 works with all BLUETTI portable power stations, third-party portable power stations, or solar generators that use MC4 connectors for solar charging. In rare cases, charging performance may be unstable.
Can an expansion battery be charged when connected only to the BAT port, without using the CHG port?
Yes, the expansion battery can be charged via the BAT port from the car starter battery or solar input.
Can Charger 2 simultaneously charge the expansion battery and portable power station?
Yes. If a portable power station is connected to the CHG port and an expansion battery is connected to the BAT port, you can use the app to set which device gets charging priority when the input power is limited.
What is the wire gauge of the included car battery cables?
6 AWG.
When a BLUETTI portable power station and an expansion battery are connected to Charger 2, why can't they be linked via the expansion port?
When Charger 2 CHG and BAT ports are connected separately to a portable power station and a battery pack, directly linking them with an expansion cable may create a current loop between Charger 2, the portable power station, and the battery pack, which may cause system errors.
Can the hub D1 for Charger 2 remain powered by a BLUETTI portable power station or expansion battery connected to the BAT port when the vehicle ignition is off?
Yes, the hub D1 for Charger 2 can also operate with solar input when the vehicle is off, but only if the solar input is sufficient to power the connected devices. Otherwise, the hub will not activate.
How can I keep the hub D1 for Charger 2 working properly when the engine is off?
Connect a BLUETTI portable power station or expansion battery to the BAT port. When the alternator stops, the connected battery can continue powering the hub D1 for Charger 2.
When should I use the PV port and when should I use the BAT port?
Use the PV port to connect solar panels and the BAT port to connect BLUETTI portable power stations or battery packs. The BAT port is bidirectional. For more details, please refer to the Charger 2 user manual.
When does Charger 2 reduce power at maximum output?
Charger 2 reduces power output when its temperature exceeds 75 degrees Celsius and returns to normal operation after cooling down to 65 degrees Celsius.
How do I use the Charger 2 to reverse charge a vehicle battery from a portable power station?
Reverse charging is supported only through the portable power station's P0908 port via Charger 2's BAT port.
How is charging power distributed between the portable power station and expansion battery?
You can adjust the charging priority directly in the app.
What is reverse charging?
Reverse charging lets you top up a low or depleted car battery in an emergency, providing enough power to start a car.
What's required to enable reverse charging?
Reverse charging is available only when a BLUETTI portable power station or expansion battery is connected to the Charger 2's BAT port. Third-party products are not supported.
When should I use pulse maintenance mode, and how long should I use it each time?
This function is recommended when the vehicle starter battery has been left and used for a long time, or after it has been drained. The recommended single-use duration is 30 minutes.
Which car starter battery types are supported for reverse charging?
Reverse charging supports lead-acid and AGM batteries.
What's the maximum reverse charging power?
The maximum reverse charging output is 800 watts.
Is it safe for my vehicle's alternator?
Yes, it only uses excess power from the alternator and adds no extra load.
Is it safe for the vehicle battery?
Yes, Charger 2 uses intelligent algorithms and automatically shuts off at a safe voltage to prevent battery damage or depletion.
How does Charger 2 prevent overload at low engine RPM?
Charger 2 monitors the vehicle battery voltage. If voltage becomes unstable, it indicates the engine RPM is too low and the output power will be automatically reduced.
Is the D+ signal wire required? And in what situations is it needed?
Connecting the D+ signal wire is not mandatory, even for vehicles with smart alternators. However, we recommend connecting it if you experience any of the following issues after using the Charger 2. The system turns on and off frequently during short stops. Charging is unstable or inconsistent when the engine is running.
What are the specifications of the D+ signal wire?
It uses a 24 AWG wire with a 2-pin connector and a 5.08 millimeters pitch.
How do I connect the D+ port?
1. Turn off the vehicle's ignition and open the fuse box. 2. Use a multimeter to identify the ignition-switched fuse. Set the multimeter to voltage measurement mode. Measure the voltage between the vehicle chassis ground and the top of each fuse. Find a fuse with no voltage. Turn the ignition switch to on. Engine off. And measure again. If the fuse now shows voltage, it is ignition controlled and can be connected to the D+ signal wire. 3. Remove this fuse from the fuse box. 4. Connect the D+ signal cable's tube terminal to the fuse and make sure it's wired correctly. 5. Reinstall the fuse into the fuse box. 6. Connect the 2-pin connector of the D+ signal wire to the D+ port on the Charger 2.
Does solar charging still work when the vehicle is off?
Yes, as long as a BLUETTI portable power station is connected to the Charger 2's CHG or BAT port. When using third-party units, solar charging performance may vary. For more stable charging, connect a BLUETTI portable power station or expansion battery to the Charger 2's BAT port as an additional steady power source.
What is the maximum MPPT voltage?
50 volts.
If an expansion battery is connected to the BAT port, can it charge the Elite series via the CHG port without connecting to the vehicle battery?
Yes. That's it for today. If you have other questions, BLUETTI support is always ready to help.